everybody, it has been an exciting, turbulent time in real estate. I congratulate my buyers who've gone into contract, and that's been fun getting them those deals. Also, with my listings, it's been so busy, I'm only listing one every weekend. And I've got a really nice little villa coming up this weekend. I'm gonna have an open house for it on Saturday. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but what's really unusual is it's almost 1,600 square feet, so it's gigantic. You can see the pictures. And next week, I'm going to be presenting a great townhouse. It's in Northeast Boca. It's built in 2016, so it's practically brand new, super cute. I'm very excited to bring that one to you. And I just hope that everything's going well for you and you're enjoying yourself, having a happy summer, and stay tuned for more great stuff coming from Babs in the Bathtub. Bye-bye.